Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, Anant V. Giradkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 4, Minor and Micro Irrigation, and topic is 4.1. Means after completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to CO map, execute the minor and micro irrigation schemes, and LO map is explain the procedure of construction of bandara, percolation tanks, and any type of minor and micro irrigation schemes. And PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now, Bandara irrigation. Dear students, observe the given image. The water, this is a river and a barrier is constructed across the river having the opening at the middle side. This is the Bandara. Means it is a small dam constructed across the river or any stream. So a small barrier or a wall of small height is constructed across the river or stream to raise water on upstream side is known as bandara. So this is the upstream side and this is the downstream side. Now the bandara is a local name. The main object of bandara is to raise water level on upstream side so that it can be diverted in the canals on one or both sides of banks. It serves the purpose of irrigation during the long dry spell in monsoon. Bandhara irrigation comes under the micro irrigation scheme or project and is a type of direct irrigation. Then component parts and layout of bandara. Observe the image or figure. So this is the apron, this is the flank key, this is the bandara, these are the score holes, this is river, that is the river bed, and this is the river bank, and this is the flood bank, screen wall, and this is the canal. This is the canal and canal wall. So are the component parts. So following are the important components of bandara. Remember that this figure is frequently asked in MSBT exam. So you must try to draw the figure, component parts and layout of bandara. So component parts are bandara and score holes, the screen wall and outlet, the flood bank, and canal and canal and lining wall are the components of bandara. Then bandara and score hole. Bandara and score hole, the main two type of bandara are solid bandara and open bandara. The method of construction of permanent or pakka bandara is depend upon temporary or katsa bandara. Before construction of permanent or pakka bandara is constructed, and if it is found suitable after its performance, it is replaced by pakka bandara. Pakka bandhara is constructed in stone, masonry, brick masonry, or either by concrete. The two type of pakka bandhara is solid and open bandhara. The height of bandhara may vary from 2.5 to 3.5 meter and top width is between 3 to 4 meter. Then score hole. These are the score hole. These are the holes of diameter 20 to 50 centimeter at a height of 30 to 15 centimeter above river bed across the solid wall. मतलब ये वॉल को जो आर पार छेद होता है उसको बोलते हैं स्कोर होल, और ये जो होल होते हैं ये रिवर बेड से 30 टू 50 सेंटीमीटर अबव होते हैं और उसका डायमीटर होता है 20 टू 50 सेंटीमीटर. इसका यूज क्या है? द मेन पर्पज ऑफ दीज होल्स आर हेवी एंड कोर्स सिल्ट. हेवी एंड कोर्स सिल्ट मतलब जो भी वाटर के साथ में जो रेती बह के आती है, कोर्स सिल्ट passes through these holes to the downstream side. ओके, मतलब जो अपस्ट्रीम साइड है वहां पे कम से कम सैंड डिपॉजिट हो सके और वहां पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा वाटर स्टोर हो सके. these holes are closed after rainy season is over. मतलब रेनी सीजन होने के बाद में वो होल्स बंद किए जाते हैं. The screen wall and outlet. It is the wall constructed on upstream side of bandhara at an angle of 90 degree to 120 degree with outlet located in this wall with a steel gate which can be operated from the top of wall. The seal of opening is kept 0.3 meter below full supply level. Okay, so the screen wall and outlet means this is a screen wall. यहाँ पे ये आउटलेट दिया है, यहाँ पे एक गेट रहता है. ठीक है. देन द फ्लड बैंक. दिस इज ए फ्लड बैंक. अभी ये फ्लड बैंक क्या होता है? दीज आर अर्थ एम्बैंकमेंट. ठीक है ना, ये माटी से बना हुआ रहता है. दिस फ्लड बैंक प्रोटेक्ट्स द फील्ड्स on outside of bandara from ड्रॉविंग अंडर द बैक वाटर क्रिएटेड बाय बंधारा. मतलब ये बंधारा में जो बैक वाटर यहाँ पे स्टोर रहेगा वो पानी दूसरे साइड में जाना नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए यहाँ पे जो एम्बैंकमेंट बनाया जाता है मिट्टी का उसको बोलते हैं फ्लड बैंक. ओके, सो देन कैनल एंड कैनल लाइनिंग. दिस इज ए कैनल. मतलब यहाँ से जो भी पानी आप इरिगेशन के लिए यहाँ पे छोड़ते हो तो वो कैनल से आपके खेत तक पहुंचता है, उसको बोलते हैं कैनल. सो इट इज द नेम गिवन टू डिच और ड्रेन. मतलब ये ड्रेन है ना, नाली जैसा. डिच और ड्रेन विच इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड टू कैरी वाटर टू द फील्ड्स फॉर इरिगेशन इज नोन एज कैनल. एंड कैनल लाइनिंग impervious layer which protect the bed and sides of canal is known as canal lining. मतलब ये जो कैनल होता है उसके जो साइड्स होता है, साइड्स और उसका बेड, इसको जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है उसके लिए जो लेयर लगाया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं कैनल लाइनिंग. ओके, सो इन दिस लेक्चर वी लर्न बंधारा इरिगेशन, उसका लेआउट, कंपोनेंट्स, construction and working, solid and open bandhara. Okay, so thank you very much.